Hi guys, rubber band power time again. So why are we looking at these two Pump Action Defender rifles? Well, on my main channel I repaired these. My grandsons bought them in Poundland, and within 10 minutes or so of playing with them, the latch mechanism, because they're pump action, the latch mechanism had broken, so I had to take them both apart and repair them. But they're not allowed to take them home. Mummy doesn't like guns at home, I don't like guns here. But we have them, so I'm going to convert them into a rubber band powered car. I'm going to reuse items from previous projects. I bought these little vinyl record coasters in Poundland a while ago. The holes in them is just the right size for a reasonable sized bamboo skewer. In fact, those are bamboo flower canes. So they're already in a plastic tube there, drinking straw, that I used on the previous project. And there's also these two, likewise, still in their drinking straws from the previous project. This is two shorter pieces of drinking straw, so you can attach the rubber band in the middle and wind them up. So all I'm going to do is hot glue front axle there, because there's a convenient little spot to hot glue it, and the back I'll hot glue them straight on the back there. So hot glue gun time, and then we'll see if it works. So there we are, up together. This is probably what I would normally call one of my Frankenstein builds, because it's using parts from previous projects. So, hot glued the front axle in place in the drinking straw. There's just a convenient little notch under there on the barrel that it fits in quite nicely. And then the back end, again, just reused what we had, so it's ready to go. If you wanted this to last a long time, you'd add a few cross pieces to make it more rigid, but for my purposes this will do. I think if it hits the wall at the other end too hard, it'll fall apart, but I think we'll be okay. Yeah, that works. I'll put the camera back at the other end. Yeah, that works. Job done. Oh, just in case you're wondering, I shall now take it apart again. So I'll use rubbing alcohol or denatured alcohol or methylated spirits, just to release the hot glue so we can take it all off. We've got surgical spirit, that'll do it. To be honest, it'll probably just drop off anyway, but we'll demonstrate. Just let it run down. It gets down behind the hot glue and releases it. There you go. There we go. So my grandsons will never know that I've used their guns for a rubber band powered car. Unless they watch the video, of course.